Hey everyone! Today we are going to see how savings accounts in Islamic banks work from your regular ones. So come on, let's go into the video. Islamic savings accounts save gift deposits and give a modest return based on Sharia principles. The two contracts applicable to Islamic savings accounts are Qard and Murabaha via Tawarruk. Firstly, the Qard contract is a lending contract where the client lends money to the bank as loan and the bank must repay the full deposit to the client. First, the client as the lender puts cash in the bank and the bank as the borrower guarantees money can be withdrawn by the client anytime. Then, the bank uses the cash for their business activities, which then yields profit that belongs to the bank. Finally, the bank may grant a gift known as hiba to the client by discretion. The next contract is Murabaha via Tawarruk, also known as commodity Murabaha. It is the sale and purchase of an asset on a deferred basis under Sharia compliant commodity with full disclosure of the asset's cost and profit rate. In the commodity Murabaha contract, first the customer appoints the bank as an agent to buy commodity from supplier A. The customer then sells the commodity to the bank at a cost plus profit on deferred terms. Finally, the bank sells the commodity to a different supplier B. There are a few distinctions between the Islamic bank and conventional bank savings accounts. In the conventional bank, earning interest on investment is usual. Debit cards are also allowed to be used in any legal transactions and investments in non-halal business is permitted. However, this is not the case with Islamic savings accounts. Usury in the form of interest or riba is prohibited under the Sharia law. Thus, profit rates are utilized instead. Lastly, non-halal investments and transactions with Islamic debit cards are also prohibited. Here are a few myths that surround Islamic savings accounts. The most common one is Islamic savings accounts are only for followers of Islam. Well, that's not true. People of all faiths and religions can open an Islamic savings account. The second most common myth is Islamic savings accounts don't earn interest. Yes, that's true. A projected profit rate is received as interest is forbidden by the Sharia law. By now, we believe you have gained some great insights of Islamic savings accounts. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.